Hi,
Welcome back.
welcome back to your English practice time.
Yes, today we have a very useful topic.
Very useful, very important.
Today we will talk about how to order food in English.
Food. I like this topic already.
Me too. Learning English is good, but learning English with food, even better.
Yes. So today we will practice how to speak in a restaurant,
A fast food place
a cafe,
and a sit-down restaurant.
so you can feel confident anywhere.
Before we start,
If you enjoy learning English with us,
please like the video.
and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us.
And it helps you learn more English every day.
Okay, let's start simple.
Fast food. Quick, easy.
Imagine you walk into a fast food restaurant.
You go to the counter.
The worker says,
Hello, may I help you?
"Now what do you say?"
Many learners feel nervous here.
Yes, but don't worry, keep it simple.
I would like a burger, please.
Good, very good. I would like a burger, please.
Let's say it again slowly. I would like a burger, please.
Very good. You can also say, "Can I have a burger, please?"
Yes, that is very natural.
Can I have a burger, please?
Repeat with us. Can I have a burger, please?
Now let's add a drink.
Yes, we are hungry and thirsty. Can I have a burger and a Coke, please?
Perfect. Can I have a burger and a Coke, please?
Now your turn. Say it out loud.
Good job.
Now the worker may ask, is that all?
What do you say?
If yes, say, that's all, thank you.
Repeat. That's all. Thank you.
If you want more food,
Always possible.
you can say, I would also like fries.
I would also like fries.
Simple, easy, clear.
Now let's go to a cafe.
Ah, coffee time.
Imagine you walk in.
You see coffee, cake, sandwiches.
You feel happy.
The worker says, Hi, what would you like?
Now you can say, "I'd like a coffee, please."
Short form, I would like to I'd like.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Repeat, I'd like a coffee, please.
Now maybe you want something sweet.
Always. I'd like a coffee and a cake, please.
I'd like a coffee and a cake, please.
Now the worker may ask, hot or iced?
You answer, "Hot, please," or "Iced, please."
Let's practice. Hot, please. Iced, please.
Good.
Now, a question for you. What do you like?
Coffee?
Tea.
Juice?
Say it out loud. I'd like, please.
Nice. You are practicing well.
Now, a more formal place.
A sit-down restaurant.
You sit at a table.
A waiter comes. "Hello, here is the menu."
Then the waiter asks, Are you ready to order?
If you need time, say, "Not yet, please."
Or, I need a few minutes.
Repeat, "I need a few minutes."
Good.
Now you are ready.
You say, I'd like the chicken, please.
I'd like the chicken, please.
Or, can I have the rice and fish, please?
Very natural.
Now the waiter may ask, How would you like it?
Tricky question.
But don't worry.
You can keep it simple.
You can say, medium, please. Well done, please.
Or just smile and say, "Normal, please."
Yes, simple is okay.
Now let's practice the most important sentences.
Repeat after us, slowly.
I would like a burger, please.
Again,
I would like a burger, please.
can I have a coffee, please?
Again, Can I have a coffee, please?
That's all. Thank you.
Again, that's all. Thank you.
I'd like the chicken, please.
Again, I'd like the chicken, please.
Okay, Peter.
Yes?
Let's play a game. I'm the waiter.
Okay, I am hungry.
Hello, what would you like?
I want food.
Not very clear.
Okay. I would like a burger and fries, please.
Much better. Drink?
I'd like a Coke, please.
Perfect.
See, simple English works.
Now it's your turn.
Practice at home.
Practice in your head.
Practice out loud.
You don't need perfect English
You just need clear English.
and confidence.
Yes, confidence.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food?
Say it in English.
For example, I like rice and chicken,
We want to read your answers.
and help you improve.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and
Keep speaking English.